everyone, welcome to my channel, and this video belongs to FreeCAD 2-minute tutorial series. In today's video we are going to learn about Additive Pipe tool in Part Design Workbench of FreeCAD. Let's get into the content. First we have to open FreeCAD. The FreeCAD version I'm using here is 1.1.2, which is the latest one while I'm recording this video. Once FreeCAD is open, just click empty file. We have to create a new body to draw a sketch. So select new body and then select new sketch. We will have a workspace with 3 planes. In order to work with the additive pipe, we have to make 2 sketches, one for profile and another for path. First we are going to make sketch for our path and then profile. First I select XY plane to draw the path. I select XY plane. Here I am going to draw the path. Alright, we have made a sketch for our path successfully. Just close it. Next we are going to make sketch for our profile. Just click new sketch and select XZ plane for profile. Here I draw a rectangle for clear understanding. Let's say 10 by 10. Alright, we have made 2 sketches. This one is for profile and this one is for path. First we have to select those 2 sketches. Then click this icon, additive pipe icon. So once we click the additive pipe icon, we will get a shape like this. We have to change corner transition to right corner or round corner. I select round corner. Okay. So we will get a shape according to our path. Just click OK. Okay. And this is how the additive pipe tool of FreeCAD works. If you found this video helpful, put a like and share your ideas in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.